For task 5, you're going to go ahead and create a form, and you're going to use the form that you created earlier, actually. Here's my sample form that I used, and you can create a simple quiz or survey of some sort that you can use with your classroom, and to make sure you put it into your um, PD folder. Now, because I created it in my PD folder, it's already here. But if for some reason you did not, you can go back to your drive, find it, and drag it up into your PD folder. So you can create a quiz. One simple thing you might do is just create a spelling quiz, spelling test. And we're going to take a test on 3/6/17, March 6, 2017. And here's the name, is already there. So, an easy way to create a spelling test would be just to um, make it a short answer, put one, and then so once you get this, oh, and press required, that makes sure that they don't skip any of the questions. And then once you do all of this, you don't have to keep doing the same thing over and over again. You can just copy it or duplicate it, it says. So, and then instead of it being one, it's going to be two. And it's required. And you see this little red thing? That means it's required. They can't skip those. And three. You can do anything you want, but I'm just doing this for the sake of being easy demonstration. So now I have 5 words that my students will need to do. Uh-oh, so I made a mistake somehow. If you make a mistake, that's fine, because mistakes make learning happen. So see, it says multiple choice. We don't really want multiple choice. You want short answer. And now it's short answer. It's required. So here's the way this would work. So here's my spelling test. So I'd have all the kids log on to this form, and this is what they would see. Spelling test, March 6, 2017, their name and a number. So you would say, okay, kids, let's everybody write your name on your form. And then, you know, okay, get ready for word number 1. The first word is dog. Write dog for number 1. Now let's do question number 2. The word is cat. Let's write cat. Okay, go to question number 3. So this is an easy way to do the forms. Big, small, um, quantum mechanics. There, they would have fun with that one. I'm just joking. So anyway, and then they would submit it, and then make sure that they submit their form to you. Now, depending on what settings, it says see other responses. You can change settings, you can change themes, you can change colors. So instead of having purple, it can be red. You can put some kind of interesting background on there. Food, dining. Oh, just kids. Let's see what that is. There we go. See, some nice little trains. Trains are cool. So that's how you can get some background in there. Um, you can do pretty much anything you want, but then here's the interesting part again is the responses. You can um, see this notice pop up says I can look at each individual kid's response, but um, here are the responses, and you can see what different people put um, as their response. If there were more than one response, then all those different responses would show up there. Um, and then the individual ones would give an individual report on what each kid did. All right. So your job is to create a form that you could use in your class today if you would like. Uh-oh. I made a couple problems. Look at that. Um, this one is required and this one is not. Also, I would require the name as well. So, name should be required because then you'll get kids not putting their names in there. And question number 5. Oh, it is required. Okay. So only the name wasn't required. I think that wasn't there because I had it selected. But on my form, um, now name is required and all my numbered items are required. Good. Okay, your turn.